What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So on today's episode, we're finally going to be addressing the S12's fuel pump wiring. Now, as you recall, we did put a new fuel pump in it. We put a Walbro 255, and since these pumps are the ECU grounds the pump to turn it on and off, and it also varies resistance, so the pump speed changes. We don't like that shit. So we're going to switch it over to the Deechworks, whatever, relay kit. And it's going to basically switch it around. So instead of the pump having constant power all the time, 24/7, even with the key off, and then the ground is what turns it on, we're going to switch it around to where it'll have constant ground and then key on power. So bringing it a little bit more up to date, and also the wiring is old and shitty, so it's probably good to do that. So we're going to be putting this big long snake of a wire through the car and up to the battery, and then we'll be getting back here underneath this to the pump. Here's the relay. I'll probably obviously just ground it right there, but I might try to hide the relay behind the plastic or something so it's not just visible. Also, it's smart. I think I remember showing you guys how bad those bulkhead connections are on the car. So I got some of these, and these are the Racetronic fuel tank bulkheads. So we're going to take the fuel pump top hat off and probably have to drill some holes through it and get these on there and make sure that there isn't conductivity between them. You know, you don't want your power wire to start melting your fuel pump top hat or whatever, you know, or whatever it would do. Probably just blow fuses left and right. So yeah, we're going to be getting that put in, and we'll get back to it when it's that open and pulled out and whatnot. Oh, also, I painted the car, if you didn't notice. I was really tired of it multicolored. Yeah, I didn't do the door jams and all that stuff like that. It was just a quick scuff and puff. So, but it looks really good, all one color and black. So, looks nice. I like it. Turned out really good. So, that's where we're at. It's like 80 degrees today. Us Washingtonians aren't used to that kind of stuff, so it's freaking warm. All right, let's get to this. All right, so we got the pump all taken out, or ready to take out anyways. So those are the old connections. You can tell they're just terrible. So we'll get that pulled out, get the new ones put on, the new wiring put through, and hide this relay somewhere back in here. Also, the factory fuel plug wire was looking pretty nasty. That green right there is not healthy. That could have also been a reason why it would just randomly kind of shut off on you. So anyways, back. Okay, got the relay power ran all the way to the battery, and the yellow wire goes to the power to the fuel pump. You have to get bigger gauge wire for the better pump as well. I put on the fuel tank bulkheads. I just forgot to film that. Got it grounded. This is the signal wire, and I'll show you where that one goes. So normally you could tie it into like the key. I guess it'd be real easy since it was all open. But the easiest thing that I've seen to do is just come down to your fuses. Look for the one that's labeled ignition, because that means that it only has power when the ignition is on. And I hooked it to the second one, which is the backup lamp. So there's the 10 amp fuse for the backup lamp, and then there's a 15 amp fuse just to turn the switchable power on the relay. So it's not actually like powering anything. It's just really, it could have been a 5 amp fuse. It really doesn't matter. Just any kind of 12 volt ignition source. So now let's test it out. Let's see. Key is in the accessory, nothing, and key on. Pump is running. And normally they'd only run for like 25-30 seconds. But key on, she'll just keep running. It's a lot smoother sounding too. With the old one, it kind of varied. It went up and down a lot. All right. Nice. Running perfectly. All right, well, that's gonna do it for today. This is just a quick little video on a continuation thing on this, just getting this thing all finished up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Every little bit helps. See you on the next one.